Pero hindi ibig sabihin na pwede mo na
Sana,
sirain.
before mo gawin yung mga ganyang bagay, makadimutan.
So guys, yan yung trending ngayon na mag-jowa na nag-break dahil kuno niloko daw ni ate girl si kuya nyo. Kaya pinost siya ni kuya nyo. Kasi nag-post din siya ng screenshots and then at the same time, nadala talaga si kuya ng emotional breakdown, no? Alam nyo ba guys na nag-research ako about this? By the way, my name is Julian and I am your daily registered nutritionist and dietitian. So, I'll share to you kung ano yung mga nahanap kong information about breakup. So, sabi dito, romantic relationships involve strong emotions. And if led to breakup due to cheating, people may experience shock, anger, hurt, confusion, and fear of being abandoned. So, ito yung resulta, no? People may react impulsively, say or do things that they don't mean and make poor decisions. Well, na-experience naman talaga natin tong lahat, of course. Breakups activates the same brain areas, pasensya na kayo guys, may dumadaang mga sasakyan, linked to physical pain, causes crying, defensiveness, and blaming others. And posting screenshots is a way to say, I want people to understand my pain. This is often driven by emotional distress, not logic. Ayan. So talagang pag tayo nadala tayo lagi sa ating puso't damdamin, meron talaga tayo nagagawa na hindi maganda, na hindi naman talaga natin sinasadya pag nararanasan natin yung complications or yung consequences nung nagawa nating masakit sa iba. Remember, ito pa, social media spreads only one side of the story. And the environment intensifies emotional damage for both parties. So, isama nyo pa yung mga taong, syempre, sabihin natin mga chismoso or chismosa, nakakalala lang talaga ng sitwasyon. Lalo na pag nakikita na natin yung mga bashers na nagko-comment dun sa post na yun. Guys, ito sabi sa pag-aaral, people under stress may unconsciously use projection. This is about blaming others for what they feel, denial, refusing to accept painful truths, defensiveness, or attacking to protect oneself. Emotional flooding. Ayan, meron pang emotional flooding. Emotions become overwhelming. And these are common human response and reactions and not signs of mental illness. Ayan. So, siguro naman guys, lahat tayo nakaranas talaga ng ganun. No? So, yun yung sabi sa pag-aaral. Yun yung mga usual talagang mga scenarios or yung mga nagagawa natin sa sarili natin at sa ibang tao pag tayo nakakaranas ng breakup. Guys, follow me for part 2 of this video para ma-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung nutrition and diet implications ng breakup or difficult situation sa buhay natin. Lalong-lalo na sa health natin. Have a great day and please share this to your family and loved ones who are experiencing the same situations right now para kahit na hindi natin sila nakakausap directly, nakakatulong naman tayo sa kanila para mabigyan sila ng proper information kung ano yung mga dapat nilang gawin. Have a great day!